Warm greetings from TNV Academy. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about cloud security. However, before we start, let me tell you about the key takeaways of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is cloud security, what do we mean by cloud computing, importance of cloud security challenges, and the last one is types of cloud security solutions. So let's start our discussion and talk about what is cloud security. Cloud security is a collection of procedures and technology designed to address external and internal threats to business security. Organizations need cloud security as they move towards their digital transformation strategy and incorporate cloud-based tools and services as part of their infrastructure. Cloud security is a discipline of cybersecurity dedicated to securing cloud computing systems. This includes keeping data private and safe across online-based infrastructure, applications, and platforms. Securing these systems involves the efforts of cloud providers and the clients that use them, whether an individual, a small to medium business, or enterprise uses. Cloud security is the whole bundle of technology, protocols, and best practices that protect cloud computing environments, applications running in the cloud, and data held in the cloud. Securing cloud services begins with understanding what exactly is being secured, as well as the system aspects that must be managed. As an overview, backend development against security vulnerabilities is largely within the hands of cloud service providers. Aside from choosing a security-conscious provider, clients must focus mostly on proper service configuration and safe use habits. Additionally, clients should be sure that any end user, hardware, and network are properly secured. The full scope of cloud security is designed to protect the following, regardless of your responsibilities: physical network, routers, electrical power, cabling, climate controls, etc. Data storage, hard drives, etc. Data servers, core network computing hardware and software, computer virtualization frameworks, virtual machine software, host machines and guest machines, operating systems OS, software that houses middleware, operating systems OS, software that houses middleware, application programming interface API management, runtime environments, execution and upkeeping of a running program. Data. All the information is stored, modified and accessed. Applications. Traditional software services, email, text software, productivity suites, etc. End user hardware, computers, mobile devices, Internet of Things, IoT devices, etc. The cloud, or more especially cloud computing, refers to the process of accessing resources, software and database over the internet and outside the confines of local hardware restrictions. This technology gives organizations flexibility when scaling their operations by offloading a portion or majority of their infrastructure management to third-party hosting providers. The most common and widely adopted cloud computing services are LaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, a hybrid approach where organizations can manage some of their data and applications on premise while relying on cloud providers to manage servers, hardware, networking, virtualization and storage needs. PaaS, Platform as a Service, gives organizations the ability to streamline their application development and delivery by providing a custom application framework that automatically manages operating systems, software updates, storage, and supporting infrastructure in the cloud. SaaS, Software as a Service. Cloud-based software hosted online and typically available on a subscription basis. Third-party providers manage all potential technical issues such as data, middleware, servers, and storage, minimizing IT resource expenditures and streamlining maintenance and support functions. Now let us discuss about the importance of cloud security. As companies continue to migrate to the cloud, understanding the security requirements for keeping data safe has become critical. While third-party cloud computing providers may take on the management of this infrastructure, the responsibility of data asset security and accountability doesn't necessarily shift along with it. By default, most cloud providers follow best security practices and take steps to protect the integrity of their servers. However, organizations need to make their own considerations when protecting data, applications, and workloads running on the cloud. Security threats have become more advanced as the digital landscape continues to evolve. These threats explicitly target cloud computing providers due to an organization's overall lack of visibility in data access and movement. Without taking active steps to improve their cloud security, organizations can face significant governance and compliance risk when managing client information, regardless of where it is stored. Cloud security should be an important topic of discussion regardless of the size of your enterprise. Cloud infrastructure supports nearly all aspects of modern computing in all industries and across multiple verticals. However, successful cloud adoption is dependent on putting in place adequate countermeasures to defend against modern-day cyber attacks. Regardless of whether your organization operates in a public, private, or hybrid cloud environment, cloud security solutions and best practices are a necessity when ensuring business continuity. We will now discuss few of the cloud security challenges. The challenges of cybersecurity are lack of visibility. It's easy to lose track of how your data is being accessed and by whom, since many cloud services are accessed outside of corporate networks and through third parties. Multi-tenancy public cloud environments house multiple client infrastructure under the same umbrella, so it's possible your hosted services can get compromised by malicious attackers as collateral damage when targeting other businesses. Access management and shadow IT. While enterprises may be able to successfully manage and restrict access points across on-premises systems, administering these same levels of restrictions can be challenging in cloud environments. This can be dangerous for organizations that don't deploy bring your own device BYOD policies and allow unfiltered access to cloud services from any device or geolocation. Compliance. Regulatory compliance management is oftentimes a source of confusion for enterprises using public or hybrid cloud deployments. Overall, accountability for data privacy and security is still rests with the enterprise, and having reliance on third-party solutions to manage this component can lead to costly compliance issues. Misconfigurations. Misconfigured assets accounted for 86% of breached records in 2019, making the adherent insider a key issue for cloud computing environments. Misconfigurations can include leaving default administrative password in place or not creating appropriate privacy settings. And finally, let us discuss about the types of cybersecurity solutions available. Few of the common cybersecurity solutions widely available today are Identity and Access Management (IAM) tools and services allow enterprises to deploy policy-driven, enforcement protocols for all users attempting to access both on-premises and cloud-based services. The core functionality of IAM is to create digital identities for all users so they can be actively monitored and restricted when necessary during all data interactions. Data loss prevention (DLP). Services offer a set of tools and services designed to ensure the security of regulated cloud data. Data solutions use a combination of remediation, alerts, data encryption, and other preventative measures to protect all stored data, whether at rest or in motion. Security Information and Event Management (SIEM). Security Information and Event Management (SIEM) provides a comprehensive security orchestration solution that automates threat monitoring, detection, and response in cloud-based environments. Using artificial intelligence (AI)-driven technologies to correlate log data across multiple platforms and digital assets, SIEM technology gives IT teams the ability to successfully apply their network security protocols while being able to quickly react to any potential threats. Business continuity and disaster recovery. Regardless of the preventative measures organizations have in place for their on-premise and cloud-based infrastructures, data breaches and disruptive outages can still occur. Enterprises must be able to quickly react to newly discovered vulnerabilities or significant system outage as soon as possible. Disaster recovery solutions are a staple in cloud security and provide organizations with the tools, services, and protocols necessary to expedite the recovery of lost data and resume normal business operations. We have now come to the conclusion of this session. In case you have any queries regarding what we discussed today, then please put them forward in the comment section of the video. Till we meet next, it's best wishes from TNV Academy. Thank you.